Do you always think about how to start a YouTube Shorts automation channel with AI? Like these channels, they are doing the same and getting millions of views daily. And the most amazing facts? They are doing nothing. They are just using a single AI tool to do all this and getting millions of views. So, to start YouTube Shorts automation, you need a YouTube channel and an AI tool. You already know how to create a YouTube channel, so without wasting time, let's jump into YouTube Shorts creation with an amazing AI tool called Woxo AI. Okay, Woxo AI is one of the best AI tools for creating high-quality content in seconds. And most importantly, you can monetize your YouTube Shorts. To create the videos, you just have to follow 3 steps. Share your concept, review the video, and publish the video. That's all. It's super simple. Okay, let's explore the workflow together. First of all, we have to create an account. However, you will get the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Now, to create videos, we have to enter the text prompt here in this box. To get the best result, follow this prompt template. First, mention the number of videos you want to generate. After that, mention the video duration. Then mention the topic of the video. Next, the visual style or background. After that, we have to mention the video context. Enter brief instructions of the content. For example, how the video should start, the outline, and the end of the video. I will put a few example prompts in the description for better understanding. Okay, I am entering one of my ready prompts. However, if you need more prompts, join our Discord server and Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Okay, after entering the prompt, click on the setting icon from here. A settings pop-up will appear. First, we have to set the video language. You can generate videos in English, Spanish, French, Hindi, German, and Portuguese. I will go with English. Next, we have the voiceover. Here, you will find all the voice actors. Listen to some of them and then choose the best one. If you are not sure about it, then you can select Chosen by AI. However, if you want to publish the video on your channel, then choose a perfect voice actor to keep consistency. If you don't want any voiceover, you can turn it off from here. Okay, next, we have Caption. Here, you can set the options, the font, colors, and in the end, set the caption preset. After the caption settings, come to the Music tab. Here, we have to set the BGM of our video. You will find some options. You can choose as per your content. However, I will go with Chosen by AI. In the end, you will find the branding feature, which means you can add the logo or watermark of your channel or company to the video. I am skipping this time. Once everything is set, hit the apply button. Alright, now to generate the videos, click on the generate button from here. We are done. Now AI will do the rest. It will take some time to generate the video. So, let's fast forward to this part. And here it is, the videos are ready. You can see that Woxo AI generates 3 videos for us as I asked to create 3 videos. Okay, let's have a look at these videos.
Who was Jack the Ripper? A mystery that still haunts us today. In 1888, a series of gruesome murders shocked the city to its core. 5 victims, all women, left behind chilling clues and confusion. The police were baffled, chasing shadows and whispers in the night. Suspects emerged, each with their own dark secrets and motives. From a local butcher to a royal connection, theories abound. Letters signed by Jack the Ripper added to the chilling mystery. Theories range from the plausible to the utterly bizarre. Victorian London was a maze of dark alleys and hidden secrets. As the investigation unfolded, the killer remained elusive. To this day, Jack the Ripper's identity remains a chilling enigma. What do you think? Could the truth be hidden in plain sight? Who was Jack? What happened to the lost colony? Let's dive into this mystery. In 1587, over 100 settlers vanished without a trace. How? The only clue left behind was the word Croatoan carved into wood. Some believe they integrated with local tribes. Could this be true? Others think they faced harsh conditions and perished. What if? What's the secret behind the Voynich manuscript? Let's explore. Scholars have puzzled over its meaning for centuries. Why? Some say it's a hoax, while others believe it's a coded language. Could it be an alien language? Or a lost civilization's secrets? Illustrations of plants and stars add to its enigma. What do they mean? Historians reenact theories, piecing together the puzzle of its origin. Each theory leads to more questions. Are we closer to the truth?
They are pretty good videos. I like them. Now you can download the videos from here, or can add to the calendar. However, if you think your video needs some customization or tweaking, then click on the pencil icon on the selected video clip. Okay, this is the editor page. Here you can edit all the elements. First, the scenes. Here, you will notice all the scenes generated for the video with the visual and the narration script. You can customize the narration text if you want. All the scripts are fully customizable. Now, if you want to customize the visual, then click on the pencil icon on the selected scene. Here, you will find 3 options: regenerate background, upload, and delete. For example, I want to regenerate this scene's background. I am simply clicking here. And here it is. You can see the AI is generating a new background. Now, you can replace the background. You can upload external image also as the background. To do that, click here and then select Upload. Now upload the image. Once the image is uploaded, select the image as the background. So, now in the same method, review all the scenes and do the customization needed. If you need to add a new scene, you can do it from here. After adding the scene, enter the script and set the background. To delete the scene, select the scene, click here, and then select the delete option. Okay, after the scene, customization, come to the voice section. Here, you can change the voice actor if you want. If you think you have any issues in the voiceover, you can change the model from here. Woxo AI gives you access to do that. After the voiceover, you can change the music from here. Next, if you find any issue with caption style, you can fix it from the Caption tool. And in the end, the band kit. Once your video customization is completed, come to the Details tab. Here you will find the video, title, description, and the hashtags. That will help us in SEO and get more views and save a huge amount of time. Woxo is a true AI automation tool. Okay, once everything is set, hit the Apply Changes button. Alright, now let's see how you can post automatically on YouTube. To do that, click on the calendar icon from here. Now we have to connect our YouTube channel with Woxo. Simply click here and then select the channel. Once the channel is connected, set the posting preference, the date, and the time. Now Woxo will post the video automatically with captivating titles, descriptions, and hashtags. You don't have to do anything. You can see the video published to my demo YouTube channel. Let's have a look.
Who was Jack the Ripper? A mystery that still haunts us today. In 1888, a series of gruesome murders shocked the city to its core. 5 victims, all women, left behind chilling clues and confusion. The police were baffled, chasing shadows and whispers in the night.
This is just amazing. Woxo AI is the true YouTube automation tool. You just have to enter a prompt, and everything will be done by Woxo AI. Isn't it a great tool? Let me know in the comments section. Now, let's talk about how much you have to pay on Woxo to start your YouTube automation channel using AI. You can try it for free. However, if you seriously start your automation channel, then you have to buy a paid plan. They have 2 paid plans. In the beginner plan, you will get 500 video credits per month. You have to pay $18.75. In the advanced plan, you will get 2,000 video credits, and you have to pay only $25. And if you buy any annual plan, you will get 2 months free credits. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with YouTube automation using Woxo AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.